So, what's going to be going on in 2024 with you and your e-bike, with us and our e-bikes? Well, stick around. We're going to get into it. Well, hello again, Internet. Welcome back to the channel. I am out today with the lovely and talented Mrs. Southern E-Biking. Say hello.
All.
Yep. And we are out. Actually, this video will be going out on, I'm hoping, New Year's, well, Monday. So I think that's New Year's Eve this year. Two of us going to be on your left. But we're actually recording this on Christmas Day. Wait a minute, what happened? The kids were supposed to come over, you had this big meal planned. Well,
honey, can I interrupt you?
Yeah.
I have a question for you.
Okay.
Would it not be fabulous if they have a bell that says on your left, instead of ding, ding, ding?
You know what? That's really not a bad idea.
Yeah, I think
that's really not a bad idea, except for if somebody doesn't know and we have to come by on the right.
Yeah, well.
Okay.
Sorry.
All right, let's go ahead and manufacture that, Michelle, and sell it.
There you go.
So, how many people were in?
On your left.
On your left. Well, now I done forgot where I was. Oh,
the kids were sick, something.
Yeah, we were supposed to be celebrating with the kids today, and well, they both ended up with a flu this week. Two of us on your left. And so we pushed that off a week, and we're going to go ahead and get this video in today. And we're probably going to try and get a couple more videos done today while we are on this ride. We have some plans of where we're going here and whatnot. And we had mentioned about maybe February, another road trip, and that's going to actually have to be put off because what we forgot is I've got my cancer treatment in February. So that kind of is going to throw me behind 3 weeks worth of videos that I got to get ahead on. So I got to get ahead on about 3 weeks worth of videos on that so that I have them there in the hopper just in case. But 2024, what is in store? What are you looking for, Michelle?
Well, I want to ride my e-bike more consistently, you know. Of course, that all depends on work and weather and all that fun stuff. And I'd like to find some, new routes because they're building them constant. They're building them faster than Komoot can put them on the map.
Yeah, they are definitely putting a lot of new routes. And
I have potentially 4 road trips that I'd like to do this year.
Yeah, we're trying to do a road trip each quarter is what we're attempting to do. And if we can get in a couple more, that's okay with me too.
Well, that's enough for us.
But we're trying to make sure we get in one decent road trip per quarter.
Yeah.
And so you're wanting to ride more consistently, which is why we're talking about the colder weather. We've got some stuff taken in for that. Got 2 of us coming by on your left.
On your left.
And so, we're trying to make sure that we get our riding time in. What's going on with me? Well, I'll tell you, I'm not completely opposed. 2 of us coming by on your left. Have a great day. I am not completely, for Christmas Day, this place is really pretty busy.
Yeah.
Pretty busy. We're going to be hooking a left up here, Michelle.
Okay.
So, 2 of us coming by on your left. On your left.
On your left.
There we go. All right, we're going to get out of the crowds here now, Michelle.
Yeah. Good. Oh. We got some interesting topics coming up on a couple of the videos, and I don't think I told everybody, and I probably haven't told you either, but there's a lot of regulations that I'm starting to see coming out by the states that I think people should start taking note, and I think we might start doing little little videos just on those particular things.
Well, that's going to be your department there, Michelle. You're the queen of that. So I will delegate that to you.
Yeah.
Michelle, we're going to hook a left right here
Yeah.
and go underneath the highway.
Gotcha. I will tell you that they are starting to, a lot of these trails are starting to say no e-bikes, not just no motorized vehicles, but no vehicle. So I'll be bringing that to some folks' attention.
Yeah, more regulations are on their way. There's no question about that, and that's something that we are going to
keep our eyes on.
Try and be keeping you guys privy of as well as ourselves. Two of us coming by on your left. Merry Christmas. See, I'm sitting here saying Merry Christmas, and you guys are watching this on New Year's.
Yeah, well.
But that's the thing about that time warp. That's the thing about the time warp. Isn't this a pretty trail that we've got right here? Now we're getting into now the older part of it.
You feel like you're in the jungle. Yeah,
but you're getting here into the older section of it. So you got some root bumps in the pavement and stuff like that. But isn't it a gorgeous trail? You know, that's one of the, we'll get into what I'm looking to do in 2024. And I would guess we're going to wait until these folks kind of split by here a little bit. And going to be two of us on your left. Thank you much. I'm still looking to put together a group for, and basically what we want to do is what's going to knit it together. Two of us going to come by on your left. Have a great day. What's going to knit that together is look at all these places that we have to ride, you know,
and shout out to those nice folks that we met over at Clayton Municipal Park.
Mark, and what was his wife's name? I forgot.
I can't remember.
Wife's name.
I'm so bad with
Mark
names.
And his wife, we had spoke with them actually when we shot the Christmas video, and you know, we need to get together and ride with them some, and I'll let you guys know, and anybody else that's in this area, the local, we have some local subscribers. We're going to be putting together. There he goes. There he goes. He just ran out in front of us. Dude, he's the boss. Hey, let's take some off-road here. That's not really off-road. Oh, there goes another one. There goes another one. We are going to be putting together a group. And what's going to knit this group together is we're going to be looking, I'm going to head this up. We're going to be looking to do rides on different routes through the central North Carolina area. I don't want to say the Raleigh area, so we've not come up with a name.
Area.
Yeah, the Triangle area, and even getting up into Winston-Salem, because there's some beautiful places to ride up through there.
Yeah, we have a 35-mile route up in that area.
Yeah, there's some really gorgeous places to ride up there, and that's not really part of the Triangle. So it's probably going to be something like the Central NC e-bikers or something along those lines. And Michelle, we're staying this side of the creek. We're not going across. So we've got that going on. What else have I got going on? Well, with a channel, I'm always looking to share more. And so we're doing some of the extras now. I want to get a little bit more into that. We're going to talk about, you know, how I do the editing, and it's really very simple, and just some different things that can maybe encourage some other folks that, you know what, this is not a bad idea. Let's go ahead and let's do us a little recording as well.
Going off road.
So that's gonna be
going off road.
Oh, looky here, man.
You.
Speaking of the off-road, I intend to do a lot more off-road riding. How y'all doing today?
Hello.
Have a Merry Christmas. I intend to do a lot more off-road riding than
That
what
won't
I
include me.
have done. Do what, Michelle?
That won't include me.
Well, I know. So what I'm probably going to end up doing is taking one day a week and shooting out of work. I don't see any problem with doing that, and maybe the busy season. You know, I'm not going to say anything. I'm just going to say my intention is to do that. So that's in the hopper for what we're going to do. What else? I'm still looking at specs on other bikes, and I'm looking.
Okay.
Yes, there is.
Oh, that leads
looks
up
like
to
that's
a house.
yeah, I was just going to say that
Social
looks
trail.
like it. There's a connector up to a little neighborhood right there. I am looking over specs of other bikes, and maybe thinking about doing something like that. So
But say what you want to say.
do what?
Say what you're going to say
What do you mean? Say what I'm going to say?
about your specs and stuff. You're wanting another bike.
Well, yeah, I'm looking for a if anybody out there is familiar with off-road motorcycling, I'm not looking for a Honda CRF 250R. I'm looking for an Enduro. Or I'm not looking for a Honda CRF 250L. I'm looking for a KTM 350 EXC. And
Left, right, straight.
we are going to take a left, and you can go across the street if you want. We're going to be,
Let me get out of you guys' way. Sorry.
and we're going to be hooking a left right down here, Michelle.
You mean a
It does
right?
say yield to passengers, but you know
Right?
yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, a right. It does say yield to passengers, but you watch out for them because they
Yep.
don't always do that. It looks
Nope.
like he is.
Yep, okay. Yeah,
I'm going to take the lead on you here,
we
Michelle.
found
or
that
do you
out
want-
yesterday, didn't we? Or the other
yes,
day?
we did. I really wish I would have had my
Wow.
camera going as we were coming through that intersection. That's another thing that I'd like to be doing a video on is I'm going to see about doing a little bit of educating in my county for these drivers with cyclists on the road. And I'm looking through a lot of the laws right now to find out exactly what the law states needs to be done. So that's going to be going on, and that'll be on a video coming up as well. You know, of course, the road trips that we're going on, I'd like some more feedback on that of what you got, you know, how you guys like, was it the last road trip or the last two road trips? We did more like vlogging, Michelle.
Mm-hmm.
I think it was the last two road trips we did more like vlogging, and you guys tell me, is that something you want to see that continue, or you want to just see the e-biking parts of it or the cycling parts of it? You know, let us know down in the comments what else is going to be going on for 2024. How y'all doing today? You know, I can't think of anything right now, Michelle. I mean, we want to improve the videos that we're doing. And I'd like to improve my e-biking that I'm doing as well. That pretty much sums it up. Do you got anything else on there, Michelle?
Well, 2026 is the year.
We're not talking about 2026.
But we have to start thinking about
I wonder
it
where
from
that
2024.
goes right there.
What?
You know, that goes into another, well, no, it's eventually connectors. Everything going that way.
We have to start thinking about the plan, dude.
Yeah, I know, but not right now. Not on this video. We'll
You
put it that way.
speak for yourself.
Yeah, Michelle has already kind of decided it's 2026. That's the year we're
Doing the big probably 3 month long road trip
Yeah.
with our e-bikes.
yeah.
No, we're not riding our e-bikes cross country, but we're going to be taking a van with our
This
e-bikes.
was all flooded out here, Michelle.
Yep,
You
we're
see
going to
this.
take our e-bikes cross country. The adventure of a lifetime.
So, but that's probably a different video. What do you think? Because this is about
Well, yeah.
2024. You're just having to throw them teasers out there, huh?
Hey, you know.
Got to get them teasers going out. I guess the one other thing that I'm going to continue doing that I have been doing is promoting these apps.
They're coming in so handy.
Yeah, it's, I don't know how anybody can go somewhere new and ride without one.
No, well, I've got several.
It's,
I got several.
at least
friends.
on these trails. At least on
I got
these
several
trails.
friends, honey, that
Yeah.
you know, they just kind of do out and max on certain things. I want to go places.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's what these e-bikes are for.
Yeah, because you can really get going somewhere. All right, what do you think, Michelle? We ready to wrap that one up?
Yeah.
So we've, yeah, I think we will. Like I said, I believe we're going to do another one, maybe 2 videos while we are out riding today. We typically film about 10%, 15% of the time we're riding. We ride a lot more than we film. But like I said, because of that cancer treatment, I've got to get some extra videos going because I may not be able to do any during
Riding
that
that weekend.
during that 3-week
Yeah.
period. And then you've got, of course, the weather of February
Which is always
could
crappy
sometimes
in North
be
Carolina.
an issue. But we're dealing with that too. So maybe that won't be an issue. Well, now, this is a neat little, okay, it's going under the highway. I do remember this.
Gotcha.
I do remember where we're at. So, all right, I think we're gonna wrap it up with that one right there. Comment down below anything that you want to see us kind of doing in 2024. What your wish would be that we would maybe kind of improve on, expand into. You know, let us know that in the comments below. And I think until that time, hey, this is Southern E-Biking and
Mrs. Southern E-Biking.
now Michelle.
What?
This is the final video that's going out, probably, unless there's maybe a short or something for the year. So, what do we tell them? What do we tell them, Michelle?
In the jungle, the mighty jungle,
Oh
the
my
lion
gosh.
sleeps tonight. Whee! How about that? Is that what you wanted to hear?
Yeah. Wonder what this is. Take a look and see
Heavy
there.
rain, something.
Okay. All right. Well, hey, till next time, Internet, this is Southern E-Biking and Mrs. Southern E-Biking, and we're telling you all, stay safe, God bless, and keep the wheels
Merry Christmas.
rolling. Once again, we're out.